Little surprise. It's outside. It's not in the workshop. So if you've guessed it, today is MOT day. So it's all strapped down. Currently just in a lay-by. We're about 15 minutes out from the MOT garage. So I thought I'd do a quick video. But yeah, today is the day. I'm just going to jump back in the van because it's quite noisy. Right, I'm going to head to the MOT garage now. Got about an hour wait, so I want to get there a bit early so I can unload and get myself ready. If I can, I'll film as much as I can. We'll see what they say. They might not like it. If they don't, then clearly I won't. If they do, then we'll get some footage. But yeah, fingers crossed it passes. Then that's kind of one project. I won't quite say finished because I've still got to do some stuff with the four-wheel drive system, Haldex controller, and the shifter. I've got like a motorsport shifter that I want to fit. So still a few little bits, but they're the fun bits. Once the MOT bit's out of the way, that's kind of the significant bit. But anyway, I'm rambling, I need to get going, so I will catch you in a bit. Right, welcome back guys. I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The good news is it passed its MOT. The bad news is didn't get any footage. As you saw in the video, the GoPro dropped and it kind of just crapped out and it wouldn't come back on again. So I didn't really have time to faff around with that and sort the car out, obviously getting an MOT, so I just kind of put it down and called time on any more filming for the day. But it passed, so that's a good thing. This is kind of how she sits now. Apologies for the ride height. I lifted up a little bit to make sure it didn't have any issues getting on the MOT ramp or the rollers. I'll be dropping it back down to its ride height soon. I've started to take off some of the dash and stuff now because I'm about to start fitting the Haldex controller. So obviously wire that in, test it, etc, make sure it all works. But that'll be the next video, so stay tuned for that one. That's the end of this video in terms of the MOT video, and as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you up on the next one. Cheers, bye.